Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in today's subscription box unboxing, I'm unboxing a jewelry subscription box. I am so excited about this. I love jewelry. I just feel like jewelry is one of the best gifts to get, and imagine getting the gift of jewelry every month. Oh, I'm so excited. And so this is from the company Silver and Gold. And what I have here is the jewelry box subscription. And so this box includes 2 to 3 pieces of fine jewelry. You can get silver, gold, gemstones, pearls, etc. And it costs $35 a month. So what I have here is the starter box, which you actually get $10 off your first box. So this would only be $25. I do like to give the disclaimer that this was sent to me for free from Silver and Gold. So thank you so much to them for sending me this. This is not a sponsored video. I just really wanted to do a full dedicated unboxing of this. But so with the $35 a month price, that includes free shipping in the US. You can pause it, cancel it anytime, and it has a value of $175 for only $35 a month. So that is nice jewelry. You know, Valentine's Day is around the corner, so this would be a fantastic gift to get someone because you're giving them this fine luxury jewelry worth $175 that you're only paying $35 for. So let's see what comes in the box. What a great surprise. When you open it up, there's a code, 20% off any item online, silverandgold.com, with the code MYGIFT. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. So Silver and Gold does live shows on Facebook and YouTube where they give out amazing deals. Oh, I'm gonna have to check that out, right? So I see a few bags in here, so this is really beautifully packaged. Oh, so it looks like this is an example of their December box. So these might be more December themed, but let's find out. Ooh, some earrings. I love little stud earrings like this. This is pretty much what I wear most of the time. And this is the South Seas Cultured Pearl sterling silver earrings, retail value of $55. Oh my gosh, that's very nice. Let's see if I can show you. So look at this beautiful pearl earring. So pretty. And it's just so classy, neutral, easy to wear. I feel like everyone needs a pair of pearl earrings. It's really cute how each item comes in these little bags. Definitely save these for storage. Oh my gosh, cute! These are little Rudolph reindeer earrings. So let's see, these are the sterling silver holiday Rudolph Dangle earrings. Retail value of $39.99. I love themed like apparel, accessories. So I have so many Christmas sweaters, but I don't have like the Christmas earrings and jewelry to go with it. But I love to get decked out and festive for the holidays, so I am definitely going to wear these. These are adorable. Look at that adorable little Rudolph reindeer. So cute. And I love that they are sterling silver, because my ears unfortunately get sensitive to certain materials, so I always look for sterling silver or those types of metals when I'm purchasing earrings, because I don't know why. I used to be able to wear any earrings. Like I could go into Claire's and get the cheapest pair and be fine. This is a really good subscription for me. But that actually reminds me, they do have some other subscription boxes. One of them is the allergy-friendly box, which I think is such a great idea. They also have the Luxe box and the Ring of the Month Club, which sounds right up my alley. I need to check that out. All of these sound right up my alley. I'm so excited about this subscription, so excited about this company. So like I said, all of these are available on silverandgold.com. I'll have that in the description down below. But I'm not even done unboxing. So the last product in here, oh, so pretty. I have never had a key necklace before, but I have always wanted one. These are so cute. Oh, I love this. So this is the sterling silver key to your heart pendant necklace. Retail value of $79. Oh my gosh. I'm so impressed by how high value everything is. So the box is, like I said, $35 a month or $25 for your first box. And every piece of jewelry in here is a higher retail value than just the price of the entire box. I love this. I feel like it's so classic, but also so in style. So here's how that looks. I'll try this on as well. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Like, this is more expensive than most of the necklaces that I own, so I'm really excited about this. It's so pretty. Ah, my gosh. I am so excited about every piece of jewelry that I got. I am so excited about this subscription. This is seriously a luxurious gift. And to get this every month, I think would just bring me so much happiness. So I would definitely recommend this. I am so impressed with what I got. So the 3 items that I got, the sterling silver holiday Rudolph dangle earrings, the South Seas cultured pearl sterling silver earrings, and the sterling silver key to your heart pendant necklace add up to a total retail value of $173.99. And I love that it has the product information here. You know, I'm all about that product information card. And then they also will send out rings and bracelets, so you let them know your size, so you know you're getting the perfect fit. So if you decide to sign up for any of these silver and gold subscriptions, let me know that you've signed up in the description down below, because that's how their referral program works. If you sign up, I just have to let them know that you did. And so I truly recommend this. I think you should treat yourself to this, or I think that you should treat someone in your life to this subscription. I think anyone that gets it would be so happy with it. So let me know if you do decide to sign up. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.